Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Search Classes. Our contact number is 983679307. Again, I am repeating our contact number which is 983679307 Again, and our email ID is souravsearchclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can drop, yeah, or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID which is written in the screen. Then you can join our regular batches, one-on-one sessions, and our upcoming. You can join our upcoming batches, and you can join our one-on-one sessions, online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparations of the upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI, TIFR, NBHM entrance tests. So please feel free to contact if you need any mathematical helps or anything. Okay. So now we are going to solve a mathematical problem which is appeared in the year of 2024 in the question paper of PUMDET, and the question is telling us that given fx equals to 1 by x for x equals to abc, the second order divided difference f of ABC is equals to, there are four options here. Option A is telling us 1, option B is telling us 1 by A minus 2 by B plus 1 by C, option C is telling us 1 by ABC, and our option D is telling us that minus 1 by ABC. So this is only the formula putting and just simple calculation question. So we have to do the things which is required to solve the problem. So now the second order divided difference of a function fx at a point a b c is given by this. Let me write with this. So that will be only f of a b c, that is equals to, for bc minus only for ab whole by, that will be c minus a, where the first order divided differences are FAB and FBC, and our FAB is what? That is equals to f of b minus f of a by, that will be b minus a, and our f of b comma divided difference of this thing, that will be f of c minus f of b by, that will be c minus b. Okay, so now what can be done here? So the given fx is our 1 by x. That means our fx is 1 by x here. So we have to calculate f of ab first. So then we will get f of ab, that will be 1 by b minus 1 by a upon b minus a. So that will be what? B minus a by b a into, that will be 1 by b minus a. So this thing and this thing will be cancelled out. So only outcome will be now 1 by ba. So now for the things of f of bc, then we will get, that is equals to 1 by c minus 1 by b upon c minus b. So that will be c minus b upon bc into, that will be 1 by c minus b. So this and this thing will be cancelled out. So only outcome will be now 1 by bc. So let us putting the values in the first equation, which is our f of abc equals to f of bc minus f of ab by c minus a. Then we will get what? Then we will only get 1 by ba 1 by BA minus 1 by CB whole by, rather we will write BC by C minus A. So we will now get C upon A. So that will be, okay, let me write that first, B C A, and we will get C minus A into that will be C minus A. So this and this will be cancelled out. So our answer will be 1 by BCA, and after rearranging it we will get 1 by ABC. So this is the correct answer of this question. So our correct answer of this question will be our option C. So again, I am telling that if you have any other mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call or WhatsApp also, or rather you can drop an email to our email ID, which is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav sir's classes. Okay. Thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.